The day is done. Let it be done. You've carried it all. The weight of it, the effort of it, the beauty of it. And now it's time to set it down gently, with care, the way you might set down something precious at the end of a long journey. Find a comfortable position, lying down if you'd like, or seated, soft and easy. Let your body exhale into whatever is holding you. Take a slow breath in and let it go on the exhale. Everything, the to-do list, the conversations that replayed, the things you wish had gone differently. Just for now, let them go. Let's start at the top of your head. Feel any tension there, any tightness from thinking, from screen light, from the simple effort of being awake, and breathe it out. Now down into your face, your eyes, that tiny muscle between your brows. Let it soften. Your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, where you may have been holding worry. Let the breath open it like a window. Your stomach, your hips, your hands. Open them if they've been holding on. All the way down to your feet. Let the earth hold all of it tonight. Now, softly, I'd like to walk with you through this day. Not to review it, but to receive it. Think of one moment from today, just one, where something felt good. It doesn't have to be significant. It might just be the warmth of your coffee, the sound of a voice you love, the way the afternoon light moved across the floor. Let that moment live in your body for a second. Feel it the way you felt it then. That moment was real. It happened, and it will always have happened. Gratitude is not about pretending the day was perfect. It's about noticing what was true and beautiful, even when small, especially when small. Now, think of one person who, in some way, made today a little lighter. Maybe they knew they were doing it. Maybe they had no idea. Send them a silent, wordless thank you. Let it travel from your heart outward like a warm light into the dark. And now, I want you to think of one thing you're leaving behind tonight. Something you no longer need to carry into sleep. A worry, a regret, a conversation that looped too long. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, imagine placing that thing down beside the bed, like taking off your shoes before you rest. You can pick it up again tomorrow if you need to, but tonight you don't have to carry it. You did something today. You showed up. You tried. And now you rest. Not because you earned it, but because rest is your birthright. The body knows how to do this. So let it. Take one last deep breath in. Hold it gently at the top. And release. Slowly, completely. Let the night hold you. Sleep well.